mapaliwanagan ninyo, yung Ariel Querubin, hinilbihan ako ng 35 years sa Armed Forces. Kung saan, pinalad naman tayo na magawaran ng 49 combat medals and awards. Kasama na dyan yung Medal of Valor, the highest award given to a soldier. And 1/3 of those combat awards, I have earned it in Mindanao. Probably not in this part of Mindanao, but in central and southern Mindanao. Kasi lahat na-rescue ko si Hans Kunzli sa Roxuro, 1986. Na-rescue ko si Father Nacorda in Basilan. I led that rescue in 1994. I liberated Kauswagan, in Lanao del Norte in 2000. So, nadali ko si Abu Sabaya, 2002, June 21, doon sa Cebu po, sa Buanga del Norte. But these are just some of my accomplishments.